Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's tech news with Samsung. Samsung launched its Samsung Galaxy A03 Core in India. This smartphone has 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V TFT LCD 720 by 1600 pixels resolution display, Unisoc SC98368 processor, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, Bluetooth 4.2, 3.5 audio jack, Android 11 Go edition. It comes in black and blue colors. This smartphone is launched in a single variant of 2GB 32GB at a price of Rs 7,999. Vivo's developer conference is going to be held on 16th of December in China. During this conference, Vivo's officials will talk about the number of UI changes and the new features in the Origin OS Ocean. Honor is going to launch its Honor X30 5G smartphone on 16th of December in China, and the smartphone will feature 120Hz LCD display, Snapdragon 695 5G processor, and a circular rear camera design. According to Panda is Bald, iQOO 9 series is going to be launched in the second week of January in China, and this series will feature Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor and 120-watt fast charging. Mi 11 LE is going to be launched on 9th of December in China. Realme 9i is going to be launched in January 2022 for the global market, and the specifications are leaked by the Pixel.vn. This smartphone could have FHD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 680 4G processor, 50 megapixel main rear camera sensor, top left punch hole front camera, will come in 8GB 128GB variant and will not have 3.5 audio jack, and the smartphone will come in a plastic build. Oppo Find N flagship foldable smartphone is confirmed to be launched on 15th of December during Oppo eNote Day 2021 virtual event. TCL showcased its foldable slidable smartphone. Here are some live images of this beautiful smartphone. Google Pixel 6a aluminium mold dummy designs has been leaked. According to these designs, this smartphone could have 6.2-inch flat OLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor, 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 main camera, plus 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 wide camera rear setup, 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 center punch hole selfie camera, Google Tensor processor, 8.7 thick will come in 6 GB and 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, Android 12, thick bezels and chin, and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Oppo files a new trademark for Find N. Moto G71 finishes the inclusion process on Indian BIS certification. Micromax is going to launch a new smartphone in India, and this smartphone is spotted on Indian BIS certification. Xiaomi 11T Pro receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Realme watch with model number RMW2103 receives Indian BIS certification. Realme is likely to launch a new pair of wireless earphones in India soon, and these got Indian BIS certification. Realme GT2 Pro has now been certified for the European market as well. Redmi G 2021 Ryzen Edition receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Red Magic 7 with 165 watt fast charging is spotted on 3C certification. Xiaomi Smart Speaker IR Control receives IMDA certification. Xiaomi is soon going to launch a new smartphone in the Asian market. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G receives IMDA certification. Redmi Note 11 5G Indian variant receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Samsung Galaxy S22 series, both Exynos and Snapdragon variants receive Indian BIS certification. iQOO Neo 6 with the Snapdragon 888 processor, Android 11, 12 GB RAM, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution display is spotted on Google Play console listings. New Xiaomi box is spotted on Bluetooth SIG certification. Realme 9 Pro Plus and Realme 9i receives TKDN certification. Realme Buds Air 3 is going to be launched in India soon. OnePlus Buds Z2 receives Bluetooth SIG certification and Indian BIS certification. Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro are spotted on 10-hour certification. Moto Edge X30 with Android 12 and 12 GB RAM has been listed on Geekbench database website. A new Realme smartphone with the model number RMX3310 has been spotted on 10-hour certification. This smartphone could have 6.62-inch FHD plus 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution AMOLED display, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 2440 mAh dual cell battery, could have 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, 128 GB or 256 GB storage, in-display fingerprint sensor, will be 8.6 mm thick and will weigh around 200 grams. Xiaomi 12 Pro is going to feature 120 watt fast charging and it receives 3C certification. Realme GT2 Pro receives TKDN certification. This is all in today's tech news. I hope you liked it. Now I will see you on Friday with the next episode of Tech News with Pallav. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and save water.